Extreme weather is becoming more and more frequent and more severe. Accurate weather forecasts are a must for industry and citizens alike. In order to provide these, national meteorological services rely on satellite data, images and products. Delivering these data requires reliable monitoring of our planet for both weather and climate. Based in Darmstadt, Germany, EUMETSAT, Europe's meteorological satellite organization, has been providing weather and climate observations from space since 1986. Working with its member and cooperating states, EUMETSAT operates a system of geostationary and polar orbiting satellites which continually monitor the atmosphere, ocean and land surfaces, gathering high-quality data and images. This vital information helps forecasters in the National Meteorological Services to issue warnings as early as possible, helping to protect both lives and property in severe weather situations.
Reliable meteorological satellite data are absolutely vital for numerical weather prediction. And ECMWF forecasting activities have benefited considerably from data from EUMETSAT Meteosat satellites, and even more importantly from the polar orbiting METOP satellite. And data from the JSON-2 satellite also contribute to ECMWF's ocean, wave and atmospheric modeling systems.
Gathering feedback from ECMWF, the National Meteorological Services and other organizations also help EUMETSAT ensure the accuracy of data being delivered. The data delivered by EUMETSAT satellites are also needed for the safety of air, shipping and road transport, and the planning cycles of various industries such as agriculture and construction. Through the distribution of its mission data, products and services, EUMETSAT will also provide a large part of the satellite data needed by the European Global Monitoring for Environment and Security, or GMES program, particularly for the GMES core services on marine and atmospheric monitoring. To reflect EUMETSAT's commitment to support sustainable development in Africa, the organization also plays a key role in the international AMEST program, which aims to provide all African nations with the information needed to manage their environment more effectively. To reflect EUMETSAT's commitment to support sustainable development in Africa, the organization also plays a key role in the international AMEST program, which aims to provide all African nations with the resources needed to manage their environment more effectively. Delivering these data and products also relies on the expertise and well-established infrastructure of EUMETSAT. The satellite data are transmitted to a network of receiving stations, from where they are relayed to EUMETSAT's Mission Control Center in Darmstadt. Here the data are processed, archived and retransmitted to users via EUMETCAST, EUMETSAT's own dissemination system. These satellite data are provided by a fleet of satellites. Operating from geostationary orbit, 36,000 kilometers above the Earth, the METEOSAT second-generation satellites deliver a reliable stream of high-quality data and images every 15 minutes. The first generation of METEOSATs is now over the Indian Ocean, aiding, for example, the monitoring of dangerous cyclones and also supporting a regional tsunami warning system. The observations provided by METOP-A, Europe's first operational meteorological satellite in polar orbit, are also revolutionizing the way the Earth's weather and climate are observed. The JSON-2 ocean altimetry satellite continuously monitors the oceans for better understanding climate change, improving long-range forecasting and supporting marine weather forecasts. These satellites are developed through the long-standing cooperation with the European Space Agency, which has successfully acted as the development agency for EUMETSAT missions in the past. To achieve its goals, EUMETSAT also cooperates with a number of international partners, including the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the organization's US counterpart, the Chinese, Japanese, Korean and Russian meteorological agencies, and the Indian Space Agency.
NOAA and EUMETSAT enjoy an outstanding partnership with the initial joint polar system. Both of us have polar operational assets and we're sharing the data between us. We're very pleased to be participating with EUMETSAT in the JASON-2 satellite as well. We're pleased that EUMETSAT is now expanding its monitoring capabilities to include oceanographic as well as atmospheric monitoring. This provides a broader range of opportunities for us to cooperate. The European Union and the United States both emphasize the importance of global Earth observation. NOAA and EUMETSAT, with its partnership, provide an excellent example of where this is working effectively and successfully.
The organization also relies on the resources and expertise provided by its growing network of satellite application facilities, or SAFs. Each SAF is a dedicated center of excellence, drawing on the specialist expertise from the EUMETSAT member states for processing satellite data and deriving a variety of meteorological, climatological, and oceanographic products, programs, and other services. These SAFs specialize in 8 specific areas, including ocean and sea ice, climate monitoring, numerical weather prediction, land surface analysis, and ozone and atmospheric chemistry monitoring. EUMETSAT, together with these SAFs and other global partners, is also supporting global climate change monitoring through the provision of fundamental climate data records and thematic climate data records, with the highest level of reliability and stability. Furthermore, with an archive of data going back to 1981 and a wealth of topical data and products available through the EUMETSAT Earth Observation Portal, the organization is uniquely equipped to meet the global challenges of climate change monitoring.